If I try to summarize everything we do to comprehensively market a home for a seller, I think it comes down to 3 key things: preparing, pricing, and presenting. First, we prepare the home. This includes the personal consultation and then editing, decluttering, managing any painting, landscaping, repairs, and staging. This is a super hands-on process where we get to oversee the home's transformation from being lived in to being market ready. Next, we price. Here we take into account all of the work we've just done to the home and look at how the newly prepared home stacks up against recently closed homes so we can price specifically to the area and market conditions. And last, we present. We like to call this the home's coming out party. Here we work with our amazing marketing team to capture all of the unique parts of the home and highlight them through photography and videography, crafting copy, website design, brochure or coffee table book creation, curated events, social and digital media. From hands-on transformations to innovative marketing strategies, we're here to ensure our seller's home shines in the market.